Welcome to the session 53, that is WTO and the formal structure of WTO, World Trade Organization, and its establishment and formal structure with the members. The learning objective of this study is to study the meaning, structure of World Trade Organization with establishment and cooperation. After studying this session, the students will be able to understand the meaning of structure, existence of WTO, and the formal structure of World Trade Organization with its various memberships, etc., and the levels of the World Trade Organization. First, the establishment of the World Trade Organization. The establishment of the World Trade Organization as the successor to the GATT as on 1st January 1995 under the Marrakesh Agreement places global trading system on a firm constitutional footing through evolution of the international economic legislation as the outcome of the Uruguay round of GATT negotiations. This GATT, with the establishment of in the 1947 and World Trade Organization, coexists for trans- transitional period of 1 year in the year 1994. In January 1995, the World Trade Organization completely replaced the GATT, that is, generally General Agreement on Trade and Tariff. The membership of World Trade Organization is increased from 77 in 1995 to 127 countries in 1996. Present membership of World Trade Organization is 151 countries. The India became a founder member of the World Trade Organization by ratifying the World Trade Organization agreements on December 30, 1994. And in fact, it will not be wrong to say that former GATT was merely a legal arrangement, but on the contrary, the World Trade Organization is a new international organization set up as a permanent body and is designed to play role of a watchdog in the space of trade in goods, services, foreign investment, intellectual property rights, and so on. The World Trade Organization administers the trade agreements negotiated by its members, in particular the GATT and GATT's General Agreement on Trade in Services, and the TRIPS, trade related aspects of intellectual property rights. The WTO builds on the organization structure that had developed under GATT, occupies of the in the early 1990s. The WTO has larger membership than GATT. The number of members stands at 163. It also has 30 observer governments. India is one of the founder member of the WTO. How the membership benefits India is worth examining. Is This is the WTO establishment and the membership of this WTO. The finally total member countries are, as per present situation, the countries includes 151. Next is formal structure of WTO. According to WTO rules, all WTO members may participate in all the councils, committees, etc., except appellate body, dispute settlement panels, and plurilateral committees. In this structure, the first level, the highest level is ministerial conference. The topmost decision making body of the World Trade Organization is the ministerial conference, which has to meet at least every 2 years. It brings together all members of the World Trade Organization, all of which are countries or separate customs of territories. The ministerial conference can make decisions on all the matters under any of the multilateral trade agreement. Here, the ministerial conference is the body is composed of representative of all the WTO members. Next level is second level, that is General Council. The WTO's highest level decision making body in Geneva. The daily In the second level General Council, the daily work of the Ministerial Conference is handled by three groups. One is the General Council, the second one is the Dispute Settlement Body, and the Trade Policy Review Body. These three consist the same membership representative of all the World Trade Organization members, but each member meets under different rules. First, we see the General Council. The World Trade Organization, highest level of decision making body in Geneva, meets regularly to carry out the functions of the WTO. It has representatives from all the member governments and has the authority to act on behalf of the ministerial conference, which only meets about every 2 years. The council act on behalf of the ministerial council on all the WTO affairs. This is the topmost body in the WTO. This council is for trade in goods, trade in services, and trade related aspects of intellectual property rights. The Council for Goods oversees the implementation and functioning of all the agreements covering trade in goods. Through many such agreements have their own specific overseeing bodies with this General Council. Next is Dispute Settlement Body. It is made up of all the members' government, usually represented by ambassadors or equivalent. The next is Trade Policy Review Body, TPRB. The WTO General Council meets as the Trade Policy Review Body to undertake trade policy reviews of members under the TRPM, and the TPRB is thus open to all World Trade Organization members. Next is third level, that is councils for trade. These councils for trade work under the General Council. There are three councils. One is Councils for Trade in Goods, Council for Trade Related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights, and Council for Trade in Services. Each council works in different fields. Apart from these three councils, six other bodies report to the General Council, reporting on issues such as trade and development, the environment, the regional trading arrangements, and administrative issues. This Council for Trade in Goods includes the working of the General Agreement on Tariff and Trade. This GATT, which covers international trade in goods, are the responsibility of the Council for Trade in Goods. It is made up of representatives from all the WTO member countries. Next body in this council are Council for Trade Related Aspects of Intellectual Property Rights. Information on intellectual property in World Trade Organization, news and official records of the activities of the TRIPS Council, and the details of World Trade Organizations work with other international organizations in the field. The last stage is Council for Trade in Service. In this council is the Council for Trade in Service operates under the guidance of General Council and it's responsible for overseeing the functioning of the General Agreement on Trade Services. It is open to all WTO members and can create subsidiary bodies as required. The last level in this structure is fourth level, that is subsidiary bodies. There are subsidiary bodies under each of the three councils. First one is Goods Council. Subsidiary under the Council for Trade in Goods, it has 11 committees consisting of all member countries dealing with specific subjects such as agriculture, market access, subsidies, anti-dumping measures, and so on. Committees include the following. One is Information Technology Agreement ITA Committee, State Trading Enterprises, Textiles Monitoring Body consists of a chairman and 10 members acting under it. Groups dealing with notifications, process by which government inform the WTO about new policies and measures in their countries. Next is Services Council, a subsidiary under the Council for Trade in Services which deals with financial services, domestic regulations and other specific commitments. Next is Dispute Settlement Panels and Appellate Bodies. Subsidiary under the Dispute Settlement Body to resolve disputes and Appellate Body to deal with appeals. The last, in this fourth, there are other committees under fourth level subsidiary bodies are includes other committees. One is Committees on Trade and Environment, Trade and Development, Regional Trade Agreements, and Balance of Payment Restrictions. Finally, Budget, Finance, and Administrative Committees. Second, Working Parties on Accession. Lastly, Working Groups on Trade, Debt, and Finance, and Trade and Technology Transfers. These are all the meaning of World Trade Organization with its establishment and members and the formal structure of the World Trade Organization. So, it is WTO agreement established on 1995 1st January. Here the formal structure of, again we recall it, the formal structure of WTO includes first highest level ministerial conference, the topmost decision making body of the World Trade Organization is the ministerial conference which has to meet at least every 2 years. It brings together all the members of the World Trade Organization of all which are countries or separate customs and territories. This ministerial conference can make majority of decisions on all the matters under any of the multilateral trade agreements. In the second level, the General Council The daily work of the ministerial conference is handled by the three groups, that is General Council, the Dispute Settlement Body, and Trade Policy Review Body. In the third level council is for trade, councils for trade work under the General Council. These are three councils: councils for trade in goods, council for trade related aspects of intellectual property rights, and the council for trade in services. So here each council work in different fields. Apart from these three councils, there are six other bodies report to the General Council, reporting on issues such as trade and development, the environment, regional trading and agreement, and administrative issues. The last level is fourth level. This fourth level includes goods council with various committees and services council with its various committees, and dispute settlement panels and appellate body committees. These are all the committees. Lastly, the other committees on trade environment, trade and development, regional trade agreements, balance of payment and restrictions, budget and finance administrations, working parties on accession, working groups on trade and debt, finance, trade and technology transfer. These are all the basic of World Trade Organization and the basic structure of World Trade Organization.